Alright YouTube, random dude with a random video. It's kind of a silly video, but it might help somebody. It's hard to know like how much you're gonna get when you order stuff like this in bulk. So here it is. This is the 2-quart size of the Kikkoman soy sauce. This is less sodium, but it'll be the same for the regular stuff. So it's 2 quarts and it's got a handle and that's what it looks like. It's a nice big jug. It's got a flip up lid with a wide pour like that. There you go. It's what you would expect from Kikkoman. The best stuff. It's a great deal. Better to buy in bulk like this. Save money. You know, you get to keep the jug too then. If you want, you can, put something else in here. Other kinds of liquids, nuts, rice, dry beans, any bulk good you want to use. It's a handy bottle to have. So just keep an old bottle or soy sauce bottle or hot sauce bottle. Transfer this into it and you'll be good to go. So that's it, 2 quarts. I'll link it down below and I'll link the other stuff that Kikkoman makes. Hope that helps. Thanks for watching. Peace.